What's going on, everybody? Today in this video I'm going to be pulling out my 2018 Kawasaki KLX140L out, and I'm going to be getting her running again. She doesn't run, the carb needs to be cleaned, the battery needs to be charged, and probably an air filter clean. I think I just replaced it, but I'll probably go ahead and clean it and clean the spark plug because I also replaced it not too long ago. But anyway, I have a lot of cosmetic mods I'm going to do to this thing. I got some handlebar covers, grips, graphics. What else do I have? I have a little gas cap. I also have some handlebar risers that I'm gonna install because it's already a big wheel, so I figured if I raise the handlebars a little bit, it'll feel closer to a bigger bike. But the first thing I have to do is go ahead and pull this thing out and get it over there on the other side of the garage. And then I'll probably start taking everything apart because not only do I have to get it running, I have to clean everything. I want to get it nice and clean. I'm gonna make a bunch of videos with it, and then probably around Christmas I'll probably list it for sale, see if I can get some money out of it, because I don't ride it that much. I actually haven't ridden it since April or last September. It might have been last September. Yeah, last September. Over a year ago. So the battery's dead. I'm sure it will not turn over. Ooh, very dead. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to replace that battery or just go ahead and charge it up, but we'll definitely try charging it first. I'm hoping it's good, but if I have to get another one, I have to get another one. And the carburetor will need to be cleaned, but I'm hoping it's not too dirty, because last time I rode it a year ago, it did run, it just ran poor. And that was a year ago, so I bet that carb is really dirty now. But only one way to find out. We're gonna go ahead and get it pulled out and start taking it apart. I might have to move this DR350 out of the way. Just a little bit, so I can scoot this through. The tires are probably flat as well. Sounds like it. Okay. Look at this filthy thing. So what I'm gonna do is get everything as clean as possible. I'll polish the wheels, clean the plastics real good. I have new grips, handlebar pad, gas cap, handlebar risers, but I'm gonna get it real clean, do the graphics, and I'm probably gonna paint this exhaust because it's a little rusty, so I'll just clean that up a lot. This shield is actually in pretty good condition. The cases are in good condition, but I'm gonna clean it up as best as possible, make some videos with it, and then around Christmas time I'll probably just go ahead and list it for sale, try to get some money out of it so I can do some other projects. Let's go ahead and get her moved over there. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna take a seat on her. I haven't sat on it in a while. Yeah, it's pretty small. But when I get those handlebar risers, that should bring it up to like right here. So that'll feel closer to a bigger bike. It is the big wheel edition. I think it has bigger front and rear wheels. I'm not too sure. But yeah, she's totally dead there. Alright, I guess I'm gonna start taking it apart. Start with that piece of crap. It broke off, so I'll have to find some way to fix that. I don't know if I'll use some kind of glue or a screw or a... Oh, it's broken twice? Man. We'll figure something out. Before I start projects, I take pictures of everything. That way, in case I forget how it goes, I can be able to fix it real easy. Alright, I'm gonna need an 8mm socket. So I guess I'll go ahead and just take the plastics off. That's probably the easiest thing to do. That way I can get to everything. And then the gas tank, and then the carburetor. So that's what I'm gonna do now, is go ahead and get all the plastics off. Alright, this piece has one bolt, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that bolt exactly where it went. That way I don't really have to organize it, and I don't lose it. I'll probably tighten it all the way on this one. Alright, let's get to this one now. Actually, I need to get the seat off first, so that looks like a 10mm, probably on both sides. Yeah. Okay. Alright, that's out. I'm gonna set that aside for now and go ahead and get this other side out. Does it have a bolt down here? It does. That's a dang 8mm. Alright, no problem. Good enough for me. Now I can get the seat off. Okay, so this seat should come off now with those bolts removed. Seat's in a little rough condition, but what I could do, maybe, I could tape the screen off and get some Rust-Oleum vinyl and cloth paint. Maybe paint over that just to make it look a little bit better since the white lettering is wearing off. I might try to do that or just get a new seat cover. We'll find out. So I'll just stack up stuff against the wall right here, keep it out of the way. So now I can put these bolts and nuts back where they went. I can probably get this rear fender off. It looks like it's just mounted by 1, 2, 3, 4, 8mm. So that's not a big issue. Other than that back one right there, I'll have to get a wrench for that. Okay, now I can take off this rear fender here. Actually, I need to grab a 8mm wrench. Oh man, please be an 8. Oh my god, it's a 7. Please. Why do they make that one so difficult to get to? I don't get it. What's your goal? For people not to take off this rear fender? I don't get it. I don't get it. Can I take it off now? Oh, of course not. There's something mounted to it. Where did that even come from? What? Okay, how do I unmount this? Okay, it looks like it slides on. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. Let's see, where did this come from though? Oh, it's probably that right there. Alright, so that's off. Now I can get the shrouds off and then the gas tank, front fender. It looks like this one's already came off by itself almost, so I just gotta take out a few 8mm, these 2 bolts, the gas cap. Actually, can I get to the gas tank bolts from here? Where does it bolt in? Maybe not, I might have to take that off. Oh well. Well, that's what I'm gonna do now, is get the shrouds and gas tank off. I don't know where the other one went, but I have like a million of these from other projects. Pretty much the same bolt thread throughout all the dirt bikes, so. Should be 2 on this side as well. Oh, that one's missing. God, where are all the bolts to this thing? I guess it came from factory like that, little weight reduction. Now I can take this gas cap off, and this should lift up. Yep, cool. Then I can put that back on. It smells like gas. Ooh, hoo-hoo. Yeah. I'd actually quite literally like to drain that gas. Pull that back. It should lift up now. I still gotta get it off the carb. Alright. We'll set that to the side. Now I can get that front fender off. I mean, I could have before, but actually I'm going to take the front plate and the front fender off. I also have to fix this little handlebar mount there. It looks a little bent. The front number plate should just be that 1 bolt, and it pops up. Yep. And this should be, I can put that back. Alright. 4 bolts and the front fender is off. Easy peasy. Yeah, she's almost completely nude. It makes it look so much smaller without the plastics on it. That's weird. Alright, I guess I'll go ahead and take the exhaust system off, and then I'm probably going to call it there. because I actually need to leave that on because tomorrow I'm gonna clean this thing and I don't want any water getting into the engine. So I need to go ahead and clean it while everything is still sealed. So I guess I'm gonna call it there, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a like if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Snapchat and TikTok at DBAKen. The next video of this will be me cleaning it and then getting it running. There's a few things I need to do, but this thing will definitely run for sure, and we'll get it back on the trails very soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and peace.